No oven, no yeast. We can do pizza within 30 minutes. First boil the water and take 250 grams of tomato. Cut the black part and opposite side X mark. After transfer to boiling water these tomatoes and add 3 to 4 red chili and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then boil tomatoes. Then take 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Remove the skin. Then chop garlic nicely. You can crush without chop. Then take for base 1 cup or 250 grams of maida, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, then 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix all the ingredients. Then add 3/4 cup of curd. Sour curd is very tasty, but you can use normal curd also. Mix the dough softly. When he is crying for food, he have a lot of hungry. Then close and keep aside for 15 minutes. I am going to give food to Minu. I gave and washed hands. Then transfer to strain the tomato and red chili and peel tomatoes. Then transfer to mixie jar. Do not put water. After cool down only grind it. Very nice paste. I have 3 flavors of pizza seasonings. One is oregano, mixed herbs and thyme. Thyme is Italian style. There is no taste, but it will give good fragrance. Then take a kadai, 1 teaspoon of butter added. Then add chopped garlic. Little bit roast it. Then add ground tomato. Mix once and add seasonings. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Then 1 teaspoon of oregano. I am using here thyme also. If you don't have thyme, no problem. You can use one flavor. One flavor is enough to pizza. Thyme also 1 teaspoon I added, 1 teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt I added here. Then cook until it will little bit thicken. It should be watery. Then dough softened will sprinkle little bit of flour. Then knead 1 or 2 minutes. Then divide into 2 parts. This dough measurement we can do 2 pizzas, medium size pizzas. Then sprinkle powdered flour and spread with hand or roti roller. It should be nearly 0.5 inch thickness. And take a kadai and add 1 teaspoon of butter or oil. Then put the pizza base and fork it. Then close and cook for 5 minutes on low flame only. Then take veggies, whatever you like. You can use onions, bell pepper, red color, green color, yellow color. After 5 minutes, turn it and stove off immediately. Then spread tomato sauce, that is a pizza sauce. Then use mozzarella cheese or diced cheese. Diced cheese contains mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese, processed cheese or any cheese you can use. Then arrange veggies. I am using here onions, green capsicum, red capsicum and sweet corn. You can use olives, mushrooms and tomato or cherry tomatoes, anything. Then little bit cheese put on the top, and as per your spiciness add chili flakes and oregano. Then now stove on low flame only. Cook 15 minutes closed by lid. Minu is sleeping, yet and baking. After 15 minutes our pizza is ready. We can easily make pizza at home. No order, no traveling. At home only we can do this pizza. In holidays we can do any number of pizzas. There is no change in taste. It's like Domino's pizza. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for